And in this video, I'm going to show you how to work a double crochet. So I just did this little swatch. It's just a basic single crochet just for like I have something to work on. So if you are turning your work, you are going to want to chain 2 because that will count as your first double crochet, and then I'm turning my work, so that just means you're flipping it. So now a double crochet, you are going to want, so normally with a single crochet you just immediately insert your hook and work the stitch, but a double crochet is a little bit different. I am going to pass my yarn, or wrap my yarn from back to front over the hook first. I'm going to insert my hook into the next stitch. I'm going to grab my yarn with my hook or wrap it from back to front, whichever you prefer. I'm going to pull my hook and my yarn through that stitch. So now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to wrap my yarn one more time from back to front around my hook. I'm going to pull through the first 2 loops. I'm going to wrap the yarn from back to front one more time, and I'm going to pull through the remaining 2 loops. And now I have 1 loop on my hook. So let's do that one more time. So wrap the yarn, insert the hook into the stitch, wrap the yarn, pull it through the stitch, and now you have 3 loops. Wrap the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, and now you have 2 loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn and pull through the remaining 2, and now you have 1 loop on your hook. So I've just worked 2 double crochets. So this chain that I did at the beginning counts as your first double crochet. This is 1 double crochet, and this is my next double crochet. So and you can see it creates kind of a longer, twistier stitch than the single crochet. So when I say insert your hook into the stitch, I am inserting my hook into both of these little legs of the V. Oops, sorry. Wrap my yarn through. So yeah, that's how you double crochet. Okay, so I've reached the end, and let's say I just wanted to keep working in this rectangle and do another row back this way of double crochet. What I'm going to do is chain 2, 1, 2, and then I will just flip my work over and get ready to work another row working from right to left again. So this would be your first stitch, second, third, fourth, fifth.